Okay guys, what's up? I just ate lunch with my mom. But update, I got the tickets, baby. I'm really loud. I'm so excited. I'm gonna keep them in that package though because I'm really bad at losing things. I just gotta hold on to them for like one more day. But I'm getting gas right now at this gas station, Walmart. That's what I'm saying. So I'll catch you tomorrow. What's up, guys? We're out here in Miami. We just met some friends. This is Mo. I forgot his name. Jose. I don't know what we're gonna do, but
Yeah, go ahead.
we're out here at the beach. It's like 5 a.m. here.
Yeah. Does not feel like
We
5
met
a.m.
these strangers.
We
You can
did
see
meet
them
these
again.
strangers.
Back in the
Yeah,
vlog. This
You
is
already
Mo.
know we cool people though. You know what I mean?
They are cool people.
Cool people, it's cool
Out here
people.
living life though. Wish us
You-
luck.
you
Are you
vlogger?
vlogging?
Hi.
What's up, guys? We are at the joint in Miami.
The joint in Miami. And this shit is the shit.
It just opened and we just got here.
We're a little early. The food truck isn't open yet. And we're kind of hungry.
Now I'm starving. We came with some people who are like, they had to like set up something.
They're selling. Yeah.
So we're just chilling.
Basically, we're making a play, but legally. Moving on up.
Put on some video today.
Just kidding. It is kind of sunny though. Oh, we're gonna go to Rolling Loud.
Oh, yes. We're gonna go see 42 Doug at 7. At like 7. I know. Where is it coming from? And then, I don't know who else. I already forgot.
Yeah, I forgot, but good
I'm so
people.
excited.
City girls.
City girls.
Maybe Little Baby is he today, I think.
Yes. A$AP Rocky. Is he today?
Travis.
I'm gonna go look at him because he's pretty.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Don't fuck with his music heavy, but
I love him.
beautiful human. Yep. Alright, well, I guess we're gonna go in here.
Hang out
On
with
the
our
inside part.
new
But this is
friends.
the little outside part, first of all.
It's so cute.
So cute. There's a little bong over there too. What's up, guys? We made it to Rolling Mile. So I guess we're gonna go in and just have the friends.
Yeah! Two niggas talking like me. Two niggas talking like me.
What's up, guys? We're at the festival for the second day. We just got here.
Festivities. Oh God. We outside. We outside.
I don't know about that. But
That's fun.
stay tuned.
Cause satisfaction.
pit right here.
Mosh pit.
Mosh pit.
Work the fuck out of my
Mosh
arms.
pit.
My arms, God.
Mosh pit.
Everyone please.
Mosh pit. Mosh pit.
Stop worrying with the blood. Stop worrying with the blood.
We in this pit. We in this pit. Mosh pit. Mosh pit. Mosh pit.
But if I had to choose myself,
so if I gotta choose someone, then it must be her.
Of course, to breathe. Take a second to breathe. What's up, guys?
Rolling loud 2021, make some motherfucking noise!
Y'all can do better.
2020 all fucking day, make some motherfucking noise!
All they talk is gunplay, but they don't own no pistols. Sat down at a meeting, Montana on the menu, red laser, one a nickel, turn a hater to a hitter. Think you used to be broke? Pussy acting like you up, you ain't wrong. Sorry, I'm about my business, what I'm putting up. Put up on the set, ain't no problem. These niggas ain't fucking with me. These niggas ain't fucking with me. These niggas ain't fucking with me. I tried to location, she pull up in 30 minutes, now she fucking on me. I don't need nobody to do shit for me, nigga, I'm bustin' for me. I went got it, they put my tax on it, nigga, I don't do nothing for free. The doubles I trust in front of the mansion, I cashed out 400 G's. You catch me. When I got on, he got magic.
Turn a nigga life to a movie like I'm Spike Lee. I ain't tryna hear none of that. If you tell me no again, I ain't coming back. Three on my face is like none of that. Whole squad in this bitch, I'm the running back. Hot girl, hot two, hot three.
What I'll tell.
If you didn't know who I am, my name is Tyler Yahweh, and I'm straight out of Orlando, Florida.
A nigga pop that shit, be pull it out. A nigga pop that shit, be pull it out. It go
Religions, the revolution's born. You wanna know my name? You thought it's another song. You wanna know my game? Suicide Squad. Pistol
vlog for my YouTube channel.
You got a YouTube channel?
No, but I'm gonna make one.
I kind of have one, but it's my brother's.
Okay, guys, we are walking down. I don't know where we're walking actually. We're in Miami, but
in CVS.
I don't have any shoes on. But this place is crazy. This is my friend Jay. I finally learned his name.
It's easy. And then
My
she gonna
sister
have it tatted
Malia.
on her, so she'll
Probably know who she is by now.
Having the time of my life.
Me too.
And a big fan.
The time of my life. Y'all want to see Miami? This is it. This is Miami. We outside. I should just go stand in the street.
No, don't get it.
I'm not gonna stand in the street. What's up, guys? We're at the beach. And if you can't hear me because it's windy, so sorry. I'm vlogging. Say hey. Say we're at the beach.